everyone. Hope you all are doing great. My name is Madhuri G. Desai. I'm a graduate research assistant here at Kennesaw State University. I'm doing my research under Dr. Yong Shi. Today I'm here to give a presentation on the topic intrusion detection in IoT network. Beginning with the presentation, my research area is data science and machine learning, and in particular, dimensionality reduction. With this background, I started my research by reading papers. Here are the few sample papers. But one which caught my interest is botnet detection in IoT network. IoT network is basically any smart devices which is connected within the network and have ability to send and receive the data. IoTs are being used in many different areas like health, home automation, etc. However, these IoT devices are more vulnerable to attack and make themselves a botnet. For example, Mirai, which is a very well-known malware attack, can get installed on any smart device, and once it gets installed, device itself start acting as a botnet and will try to attack other system like DDoS attack on a server. So it is very important to see if these devices are compromised, and if so, how can we detect and fix it? Here is the method I am proposing. Data is captured in a raw format. Then later, features are extracted using feature extraction. Then the feature engineering is applied where the dimensions are reduced. Then the ML model is built and trained to detect whether the incoming traffic is benign or a malware attack. So with this in mind, there was already data set which was created by this paper. The reference is been displayed at the end of the slide. This data set has many connected devices like laptops, smartphones, camera, and they have also recreated a Mirai botnet attack, and they have captured the network data. So I downloaded the data from this paper, and the data was in raw format. So the data has to be converted into a readable CSV format. For this, I applied feature extraction, and 100 features were extracted, such as count, weight, covariance from the data set. Later, ML model using decision tree classifier has been built. Dataset is split into 80% training and 20% testing data. You can see here the learning curve where training sample has been taken as a parameter. As the number of data samples are increasing, the accuracy is also increasing. Similarly, you can see in the figure 2 where depth is taken as a parameter. As the depth is increasing, the accuracy is also increasing. So this is my research work till now. In future, I'm planning to build a multi-class classifier to identify the type of attacks, and also train and test the ML models with the larger data set. Later, I'm planning to apply DR dimensionality reductions like PCA, and also test with other supervised and unsupervised ML models. Once the highest accuracy is achieved, the model can be thought of implementing on real-time system. Um, with this link, you can find me for a QA session. Thank you so much.